So what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Hey, welcome to the channel. Today, I am surprising my wife. I have tried to do this maybe twice on this channel, and I have been foiled both times. We've got some fairing mount speakers and an amp that we're going to be installing on Melissa's bike, and I'm also having a set installed onto my bike at the same time. If you guys remember Paul from the Fairing Exchange, he will be here today with Justin, and they're gonna do a dueling install, right? They're both gonna install them at the same time. Now, I'm going to set the bikes up out front of the shop here in a manner that hopefully we can record this all in time lapse and it'll look real good for you guys. I'm excited about this and I want to tell you about what I got, but first, coffee. So I want to say this, guys, as far as surprising Melissa, I have tried to do this, as you guys already know. And I wasn't successful, unfortunately. So this time, I am bound and determined to surprise her. I want to surprise her because you guys don't know all that she does for me off camera and on camera, truthfully. Normally when she's here, she helps. She instigates the questions in me. She gets me going on a rhythm. I enjoy filming with her very much. She is my best friend. And I'm always looking for an opportunity to surprise her. And this is one of those moments where I'm bound and determined to surprise her. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's near and dear to my heart. I know it's just audio install and I'm sure some people out there are gonna say, oh, you're doing it for sponsor money or you're doing it for this. There's no money in this. This is a network of friends helping a friend to surprise his wife. It's essentially what's happening. And this is what has happened. I just want to take this moment out to say thank you to Hogtunes and thank you to the Fairing Exchange, to all the guys there, to Paul, and he's bringing a gentleman named Justin, so I'm going to say in advance, you know, thank you. You guys are helping me make this a reality. Today, we will both, Melissa and I, will be getting a set of wild boar speakers and amp kit, one for a street glide, and then they have a special one for a road glide because the speaker covers are different. When Paul gets here, he's going to break it down a little bit further for you guys. So in this package, there'll be two 200-watt, 6.5-inch speakers. Also a 400-watt amplifier. Now this amplifier uses remit technology, which is a little bit special. It's different than the other manufacturers out there. It's different than any other amp. What it's designed to do essentially is to minimize the interference with the FM signal. I don't know how many of you guys know that, but when you run an amplifier, it will actually take away from your FM signal, especially when paired too close to the antenna. So one of the other things I want to just say about it right quick before we get into this is that it does come with a 5-year warranty. It's a complete plug and play process. There is no cutting, there's no soldering, you don't have to do any of that to a stock harness. Now, if you already have a modified speaker system, obviously you may or may not have to. As a matter of fact, they may have to cut into mine because I modified mine. One other little feature is that the amp can handle the radio without it having to be flashed. Now, we're going to flash it. I recommend you get it flashed. I think even Paul and potentially Hogtunes will probably recommend you get your radio flashed. But even if you can't, or you live in a remote region of the United States, or wherever you are in the world, it allows you the opportunity to put the amp and speakers on without having to go get it flashed. So I'm super excited to surprise Melissa with this. Again, guys, she has no idea that this is happening, and this time it cannot get foiled because she's at work, and it's about 9:30 in the morning. Paul's gonna be here in probably a half hour, so there's no way she's gonna know. These guys will be in and out in probably an hour. They're gonna do mine and they're gonna do hers. That's crazy, isn't it? I know, because I don't get treated like that. This was for her, not so much for me. I guess the next part of this video, we're gonna go right into the install. Hopefully I'll get Paul to talk on camera for a little bit. You're gonna see Paul and Justin, and we're gonna just get into this. And then at the end of that, we're gonna check out Melissa's reaction, because I'm super excited to see what happens. I am so looking forward to this one, guys.
Let's do it. It's go time.
All right, Paul, good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
So where are we at? Where are you at exactly?
Obviously what we're doing here today is we're gonna do the Wild Boar audio 2-speaker system on this bike, which is 2 speakers that are rated at 200 watts RMS each and a 400 watt amp, so it's perfectly matched. So we start there. Obviously we've already gotten to the point of taking the factory speakers out.
That we have.
Right now I'm actually running the power wire.
Look at this little thing.
Well, we're gonna run it through the backbone of the bike rather than pulling the gas tank and all that stuff.
Makes sense, goes all the way to here.
But we have a very nice quality wrapped power cord.
Sweet.
So all this runs back to the battery. But yeah, we're just gonna pull it through the backbone, and
we're giving the tips and tricks away here. This is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.
The way we hope it works. Yep, there we go. You absolutely want to repin this connector before you connect to the battery, because these touch.
Yeah, they get
find
hot.
out they're very easy to depin this plug to be able to pull it through there.
Cut in here. Paul was just mentioning something regarding audio. Do you want to try to get in that moment again?
What I was just talking about was what we're putting in here is motorcycle audio. It's made for this bike. There are other companies that make something that sounds really good in a parking lot.
Yeah.
Or, you know, whatever, but they're taking car audio and putting it on a motorcycle. When you get going down the road, all that bass that you hear coming out of the saddlebags and all that, it's not only behind you. Bass is a movement of air.
Correct.
You've already got air moving, so it's pretty much
there is no
gone.
bass. Right, right.
So, you know, what we're putting in here, and as I was saying, we have people that come to us at all the rallies going, hey, I want to do audio. And my question is, what are you trying to achieve? If they tell me, well, it's not loud enough, I want to be able to hear it while they're riding, perfect, we've got it. If you want to sit in a parking lot and impress your buddies, we're not the guys. This isn't,
right.
I mean, yes, is it louder? Does it sound better? Absolutely. But if you want all that bass and all that, we're not achieving that with a 6.5-inch speaker. We're just not going to do it. So we're going to have a nice, clean, loud sound that you're going to hear at 80 miles an hour, and it sounds great.
Yeah, so practical motorcycle audio.
Correct.
It was good to see you again.
It's good to be here. Great to work
I
with
want
you.
to thank you for doing this for Melissa and I. Well, you did for me and definitely for Melissa and surprising
Well,
her.
we had to do something nice for her. You're just kind of,
Yeah.
you know.
I'm just here.
Right, she's the important one.
I'm a tag along.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. I've been married a long time.
So she has no idea. So unfortunately, you're not going to be here to see her reaction.
I'm not.
No, unfortunately
I'll
not.
get to see in the video.
Yep, you will. You'll get to see it just like I guess everybody's going to see. I want to thank you, and I want to thank Pez at Hog Tunes. And like I said, I can't thank you enough. I really can't. And this coming to the house thing again, I'm going to shake your hand because nobody does that.
So, and I'll throw a little line out for us here. We do this, obviously, our winter road trips. If anybody goes to our Facebook page, they'll see where I've posted some of our past routes and now some preliminary routes for this year. So I've got guys right now in Milwaukee. I've got guys in Houston. I've got guys in Massachusetts that we're going to go to, most of them in January. But we take orders on our website from now until early to mid-December.
Okay.
So then we lay out a trip and we literally go house to house. It's insane. It's not a good business plan.
Right.
But it works for them and it keeps us doing something.
And it works for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It keeps us going. So, but yeah, that's...
Well, I hope that anybody that's interested, I hope they get a hold of you, reaches out through the website.
Yep.
You say the trip, the preliminary trip, is on the website?
It's on our Facebook page.
Okay.
I don't think there's any layouts of our trip on our website.
Okay.
But they can
So
do
Facebook.
reservations. But yeah, if they go to our Facebook page, they'll see some pictures of just some either past routes or some things we're doing for this year. But yeah, it's
Okay. So you heard him.
good deal.
Head up to Facebook, and
That's it.
I guess that's it. We'll just
Cut.
make
We're
it
done.
simple.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, here she comes. Let's get you guys set up again. I'm gonna do my best. Hopefully the audio comes through. We'll see. She doesn't always notice everything on her bike, so we'll see how this goes.
Ready to go for a ride?
I am. Where you want to go?
I don't know. It's really nice out. It was cold this morning. Now it's freaking hot.
So you want to hit up that barbecue place?
Sure. I mean, there's a couple. There's a
didn't-
few that I have on my list. You want me to show you?
I didn't finish backing your bike out,
Okay.
so if you wanna,
What?
do you notice anything new? Paul came by.
From Fair Exchange?
Yes, Paul from Fairing Exchange.
Well, my fairing's already painted, so.
Do
Oh, are
you
those
know-
different speakers?
Ding, ding, ding. Tell her what she's won, Chris.
Really? They're different speakers?
Absolutely. Well, turn it on. Tell me what you think.
All right. Here, hold my helmet.
They're Hog Tunes. They're actually wild boar audio.
Nice.
I try to surprise you all the time, and I never successfully surprise you.
Orlando's #1 hit.
Damn, that's a lot louder. I've been wanting speakers for a while. Thank you so much. Oh, shit. Tell Paul I said thanks.
You can tell them.
Orlando.
Oh, shit. Recording this whole time.
Yes.
Could have warned me.
You have been recorded.
Oh, jeez.
I was hoping to get a nice big surprise.
Hell yeah, that sounds
So,
awesome.
ready? Surprise!
Woo!
Yeah, so we got you wild boar audio.
Heck yeah.
I know you've been wanting speakers for a good while.
Yeah, I mean, since I had the bike, really. Just hasn't been the right time or financial place, so wow, that's awesome.
So how does it make you feel?
Like I'm gonna be dancing on my bike.
Here, now I'm going to interview you. How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel like I have the prettiest bike in the whole world.
But you do. But you already do. Unfortunately, thanks to YouTube. Unfortunately, guys, I'm actually holding my helmet. You should see how I'm doing this. Unfortunately, guys, thanks to YouTube, we can't play it, and do the audio like we would want
right.
because of the copyright problems. What do you think so far? I mean, all you did was
There's only like 10
crank it
seconds,
on.
but I can already tell there's a huge difference.
Yeah,
Huge difference. Yeah.
we're gonna have
Amplification
to.
and quality for sure.
We're gonna have
I'll
to.
give it a test on the highway and let you guys know for sure.
We'll have to. Yeah, we'll have to get a little test ride, and then she can let you know.
1 hour later.
So what did you think?
Like, so much better. I had no idea that that would be that much better. That was really great. Night and day, for sure. To jam out, I mean, it depends on my mood. Sometimes I just want the sound of my engine and the road, but other times I'm rocking some music, and that music can vary from country to rap to classic rock, you know. But I've wanted speakers for a while, so I've had this bike now for what, 2 years?
Yeah.
I think, and I finally got speakers, so yay! Merry Christmas to me.
Yes.
Thank you, Paul, for coming in and seeing Chris again, and thank you, Chris, for setting this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Absolutely.
As always, wherever you be, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Stay upside and we'll see you on the flip.